I got these Gore-Tex gloves from Revit. I've had them for about 2 months now. I'm using them all winter long. They work great. Let's look at the features. They're Gore-Tex. They've got a nice cozy inner lining here. Alright. You use 3M products. We got this nifty little feature right here. So you pull it this way to loosen it. Stick your hand inside. Then you pull it this way. Pull it this way to tighten it. Now your hand's not coming out of this thing. Alright. Fold it over. Boom. You take it off like this. Pull it that way. It loosens up. And you get your hand out. Tighten it back up. Boom. Alright. It's got a grippy surface right here. Alright. And like right now, today, it's raining. Under reasonable weather, rain, they work pretty good at keeping your hands dry. But like really, really heavy rain, it's understandable that you might get a little wet. But they protect against the wind and cold. We're in like 30-degree temperatures. The only downside that I've noticed to these is I've got large hands. When I go to stick my hands in here, I try to pull this flap out of the way for no reason. They don't have to pull it. Literally, Velcro just has to be undone, right? But out of habit, I keep pulling it. That tightens it. Now I can't fit my hand in there. I think that's a little bit of a design flaw, or just user error. Who knows? But these gloves from Revit, I like them. They work great. Later.